As I was playing Poppy Playtime Chapter 4.
Come on! Yay! The shape! Poo! Poo, 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 poo!
Single most high secured of the
Oh, security! Oh, missy, missy! No! No! What? He's still alive?
So as you see, Huggy Wuggy is still alive.
So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to draw Huggy Wuggy in very easy way.
So let's start.
Now grab your pencil and eraser.
And I'm going to tell you the sort-by-step method to draw Huggy Wuggy. So let's begin. First, you need to make a basic shape, right? Then add something to it as you like. You draw a basic line on the page, and after that, underneath that line, you make a small line. Then next to that line, you also make another line, and after that, underneath that line, you make a cut, like a sliding line. Then on the other side, do a sliding line again in the next step. After that, underneath that line, you make another small line, which completes a diamond shape. Then underneath that diamond shape, you make a long line, giving it some shape, and next to it, a smaller long line. After that, on all four corners of the box, or diamond shape, we add a curved line. Once we add the curved line, we shape the long line we made, and after shaping that, we also give a shape to the lower body. Once all that is done, in the middle of the box we made, we draw a circle, and inside that circle, another circle, and we follow the same process.
But before that, we need to make a small line at the bottom, which will be the mouth. And next to it, we add another eye by making a circle inside a circle.
Now we have created our left eye. On top of that, we will leave a small gap at the bottom so that we can put the mouth there. After that, we will make a slight curved line between the eyes. And after making that small curve, we will draw a triangular shape for the mouth. For the mouth, we will make a triangle shape. And just above the neck, we will draw a small curved line where the mouth will end. After that, we will shape the mouth a bit, looking at our reference, and we will shape it accordingly. After that, we will draw the inner lip border. We will look at the reference and draw it accordingly. After we finish drawing all that, once we have drawn everything, we will have a duck-like mouth. After that, we will draw the muscles below, the gums. We will draw them a bit, looking at the reference, making gaps. You can copy me as well. After that, we will make a triangle. Looking at the reference and where the teeth are, we will make the same pointed triangles in the same places. After making all the pointed triangles on top, once that is done, we will do the same thing below, making a few broken teeth, the gums as well. But once all this is completed, after we have done the lower gums, it will be our turn to draw the inner mouth. If you look at a photo of Huggy Wuggy, I will put it here. When he opens his mouth, you can see a few teeth inside as well. We will draw that too, looking at the reference, and remember, this is a bit difficult, so make it carefully. After making that, below the neck, we have a ribbon we will quickly make that because it is not too hard. And after making that, the diamond box we drew, we will erase a bit because, Huggy Wuggy is like a toy, and toys have hair, light little strands of hair. We will draw that, and after erasing a bit, looking at the reference, we will lightly draw those toy-like hairs so that it looks like a toy. It is going to take a bit long, so copy me and do the same. I am going to fast the video. It's fun to do this. External body hair and roughness have been formed, but now we still need to do some detailing inside. So after we do this detailing, like adding these small features, then after that, when we finish this, Huggy Wuggy's body will have a very realistic look, and it will seem like its fur, its hair, is coming out of the drawing in a very realistic way. It will also look really cool and iconic, so this is important to do, otherwise the drawing will look very blank. And along with that, we will also add some shading in the eyes because the eyes look quite white and blank. And once we roughly sketch that, it will look very unique.
We will finish the lower body of Huggy Wuggy, and after that, our drawing will be complete. So our drawing is now fully ready, and I hope you all liked this drawing and understood it as well. By the way, we'll add a bit more detailing in this. If we darken the eyes a bit, then this drawing will stand out even more. And guys, I made this as part 1. If you liked it and understood something, then let me know in the comments for part 2, so I'll make part 2 soon. And in part 2, I'll properly show you how to do coloring, how to do realistic coloring. So if you liked the video, do like it, subscribe to the channel, and on top of that, we'll add a bit more highlighting in the eyes, and our drawing will be ready. The final result looks like this. And yeah, don't forget, comment part 2, and also don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye!